Come with me to the tallest falls in Jamaica, the Nonsuch Falls. Upon entering, this is the first thing you see. A beautiful piece of hill surrounded by the vibrant green vegetation. Look at the panoramic, breathtaking, spectacular, striking, beautiful view. They have a nice little seating area with a bar. I know you love that. Games, binoculars, and a bonfire. If you fell in love with this place, don't want to leave, then you can stay. Welcome to the Airbnb. Look at this. You get the view. You have everything you need. Look at that shower. Big and spacious. Wow. You could wake up to this one day, yes, and you can wash your hair with aloe vera plant, natural. Our tour guide was global. We grabbed our walking stick, headed down the falls. Now we went to the top of the falls first, but oh my god, the water was so good. I wanted to go in there so badly. And we walked some more until I could finally see the falls. I was super happy for that. And then we went around the slippery rocks and everything until we saw this. Look at that tremendous fall. It's so beautiful. They even had a spring. Look at it. Oh my god, is all I could say. And then all I could do is jump in. Even the tour guide had to take a swim, yeah. But it was time to say goodbye because we were there for a while. All good things come to an end. Pause here for contact information.